Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best capacitor dash cam is probably one of the most sought-after dash cams in the market, offering a unique advantage over traditional dash cams with its capacitor-based power system. This ensures reliable recording even in extreme temperatures and prevents battery drain, making it a superior choice for long-term, uninterrupted recording. And today, we will explore its features, performance, and overall value to help you decide if it's the right dash cam for your vehicle. Number 5. ROVE R2-4K Dash Cam. Experience the future of driving with crystal clear 4K video recording. It's packed with features to keep you safe and connected on the road. Capture every detail with its stunning 2160p resolution. Even at night, the advanced Super Night Vision ensures clear footage. Instantly view and manage recordings on your smartphone using the ROVE app. Download and share your videos quickly and easily. It accurately records your location and speed, allowing you to retrace your route on Google Maps. Enjoy free firmware updates via the app. It boasts a supercapacitor, a wide-angle lens, parking mode, and more. It's designed to provide you with peace of mind. We're a USA-based company committed to your satisfaction. Contact our customer care team for quick and helpful support. What we like. It boasts stunning 4K Ultra HD recording and built-in Wi-Fi 6 for easy access to your footage. If you need high-quality video evidence and seamless connectivity, this is the dash cam for you. It's perfect for those who want to share their driving experiences or need reliable evidence in case of an accident. What people say. The setup is simple. There are tons of quick short videos to help guide you on how you might want to tuck away the wiring. You just plug it into the car charging socket. The picture quality is pretty good. Like I mentioned, the detail does drop off at a distance, but honestly that's to be expected. It's a dash cam, you're not going to be filming 4K movies with it. The camera was very easy to install right out of the box. The instructions are clear and comprehensive, and I had the camera running in less than 5 minutes. Number 4. WOLFBOX G840S Mirror Dash Cam. It boasts a 4K UHD front camera and a 1080p rear camera, providing exceptional detail and clarity. The large 12-inch display minimizes blind spots, enhancing your safety. With a 170 degrees front and 140 degrees rear lens, it offers an expansive field of vision. The split-screen function lets you monitor both views simultaneously for complete awareness. It features advanced WDR and HDR technology for balanced lighting in any condition. The professional-grade sensor and 6-glass lens ensure superior image quality, even at night. The built-in GPS accurately records your journey. Easily review your driving data and relive your trips with precision. This dash cam provides continuous surveillance of your vehicle, even when parked. A hardwire kit is required for this feature. It features an upgraded USB-C port for reliable performance and includes additional features like streaming media rearview, adjustable viewing angles, and G-sensor recording. What we like. This dash cam features a large 12-mirror display and dual cameras for complete coverage. If you prioritize a wide field of view and enhanced safety features, this is the one for you. It's ideal for drivers who want to minimize blind spots and benefit from parking assistance. What people say. The 12-view display is very sharp and clear. The wide-angle lenses show everything and more, the GPS is accurate, and the rear-facing camera works very well, especially if you hook up the wire to the backup light so the unit displays the adjustable backup lines. Very useful in parking lots. Daytime and nighttime visibility is far superior to my old mirror. When the display is turned off, it still works pretty well as a mirror, too. Number 3. REDTIGER F7N 4K Dual Dash Cam. It captures highly detailed images, including street signs and license plates, thanks to its 4K front and 1080p rear cameras. The wide-angle lens provides extended views and minimizes blind spots. It precisely records your location, route, and speed using the built-in GPS. Connect to it wirelessly via Wi-Fi to easily view, download, and share videos. It features a high-spec StarVis sensor and a large aperture lens for superior low-light performance. Enjoy clear night vision and crisp images even in challenging conditions. It provides 24/7 parking surveillance. The built-in G sensor automatically records and locks video footage in case of a collision, ensuring your vehicle's safety. It comes with an 18-month warranty and 24/7 technical support. We're here to help with any questions or issues you may encounter. What we like. With its dual 4K cameras and built-in GPS, it provides exceptional image quality and precise location tracking. If you need superior night vision and detailed recordings, this dash cam is a great choice. It's perfect for drivers who value clear footage in all lighting conditions. What people say. The REDTIGER dash cam shows very clear images, has Bluetooth and GPS capability, and a parking mode if hardwired. Installation was ridiculously simple, and that part startled me because I am not usually adept at this type of thing. Except for the 2 to 3 inches of wires by camera, the wiring is totally invisible. The front cam video was so crisp we were able to not only pull the license plate information off, but capture additional information from the truck and the load he was hauling. The videos themselves were amazing. The fact the cameras react to start-stop motion of the vehicle, as well as impact, is amazing. The video player you can use from REDTIGER is brilliant also. It gives the added GPS coordinates, and also shows an integrated Google Maps display to show how far the vehicle went from start to stop with location information and time date stamps. Number 2. VANTRUE N4 3-channel dash cam. It simultaneously records the front, rear, and interior of your vehicle in stunning 1440p plus 1440p plus 1080p resolution. This provides complete coverage and protects you from any liability issues. In dual-channel mode, it captures crisp 4K footage from the front and 1080p from the rear. The rear camera's 360 degrees adjustability ensures optimal placement in any vehicle. For ride shares or added cabin visibility, it records the front and interior in 1440p. The adjustable interior camera provides optimal viewing flexibility. It boasts infrared night vision with a high-performance sensor and wide aperture lenses. This ensures clear recordings, even in complete darkness. With parking mode, it continuously records, even when your vehicle is parked. Motion or collision detection triggers recording to capture any incidents. It's powered by a supercapacitor, making it resistant to extreme temperatures and extending its lifespan. It also features a G sensor to automatically lock footage in case of an accident. It's easy to install and comes with an 18-month warranty, 24-hour email support, and firmware updates for continuous improvement. What we like. This dash cam offers 3 channels of recording for comprehensive coverage of your vehicle's interior and exterior. If you need a complete view of your vehicle's surroundings and reliable performance in extreme temperatures, this is the dash cam for you. It's ideal for rideshare drivers or anyone who wants maximum protection. What people say. The standout feature is undoubtedly its 3-channel simultaneous recording capability, providing comprehensive coverage of the road ahead, the interior cabin, and the rear. Video quality is consistently impressive across all 3 channels. The clarity is excellent, allowing for detailed capture of license plates and other crucial details. Even the cabin-facing night vision camera performs remarkably well, providing clear recordings even in low-light to pitch-black conditions. Image quality in default 4K front 1080 interior and rear is great, with the excellent Sony CCD. Number 1. Rexing V1 4K Dash Cam. It captures stunning 2160p video, even at high speeds. Its low-profile design makes it an unobtrusive witness to the road. With a 7-layer glass lens, it captures a sweeping view of your surroundings. The WDR technology ensures optimal performance in any lighting conditions. It uses a supercapacitor, extending its lifespan and reliability in extreme temperatures. The parking monitor automatically records when it detects vibration, or you can set it for 24/7 time-lapse recording, requires hardware kit. View, save, and share recordings wirelessly on your mobile device using the app. It's easy to manage your footage remotely. It records in 1, 2, or 3-minute intervals, automatically overwriting old footage when the card is full. The G sensor locks important footage in case of a collision, protecting it from being overwritten. It supports high-endurance microSD cards up to 256 GB, giving you ample space to record your drives. What we like. It offers 4K Ultra HD video and a supercapacitor for reliable performance in extreme temperatures. If you need high-quality video and a durable dash cam that can withstand harsh conditions, this is a great option. It's perfect for those who live in areas with extreme weather. What people say. This item is everything users claim. I have tested on one long drive and the resulting video and audio were of excellent quality, the field of view was satisfactory, the automatic iris adjusted for varying light levels from bright sunlight overhead to low ambient light at sundown. Surprisingly small, it is relatively easy to set up once you've installed a microSD Class 10 card. 32 GB is best because any video file is big, and these are high definition. The camera so far works well and it was easy to install and set it up. I find useful the Wi-Fi because there's no need to remove the microSD or the camera to watch and save the videos on another device. In night vision, with the city lighting, the number plates are clearly visible from around 5 to 10 meters from the camera. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.